to Adom 106.3 FM, yeah. Ghana's #1 radio station. Patrol and Pum at the saying, I do believe say on AM. And then so Johnny Pet say Shamu, which made you so free Sabre Quaco Pim Sebebo and you met Nunsia, not yet Cassiabo, Munia Bema, Jerry Justice, Namotime Kane. Nah, Papa Bill Sway, Jamestown, Jiko, African, Waha, Prince and Soha. It's also waiting and I don't know. All right, so it's a Wednesday afternoon. It happens to be the 20th of January 2021. Nah, and now Wednesday, for never bum kakrania there. But me per se quickly, joining me on Facebook. Wow. Videos of our time, a brand asun. Say ye de ebrewo. Ye che ene video ye share. Na ye share bibi kakra e de free mu. Now, mame ma enyom from na said as usual I am me no. Me monra wadwim. Wow. Na me mau said the idea African way o ntwa we no ntumu ama me na me hwe you know mumie Facebook ni mame e tie for monko Facebook osisi a monko Facebook osisi a Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook na videos of our time ene ye yinchiro enche ye bia was it last 2 days na me ne kwame obo ade during I irrigated na ye ka ene man krofo no basa se wako baby ensa bi unim ho hwe yeah mesha bi ni ade a ene na boys se wen no mo ani se wen no dangerous ye kan ho asem e ma me share me experience with the TF4 years back. Me name musician Castro obefame na ye kotena ase na eye tema Monte Carlo omo enim ho na minim se bibi sa akra awuri ase ejame de mesori anamadai na ekoduye na disposable cups ni ade na mehwe drinki na fi me nom kakra me tasty ade otimi se o we de ase multifruit asai don simono se wana ibia o ade mu ode me ya metafrema no ho a na Castro bisa me say oh Jerry den na obenom me say o me dey say onim say me dey ma me no fruit ya no so say we are na obenom me say ai na omo eni omo nam no de obaji we no age de anu ohye omo gigi bia tutu bia na ade still Castro say you go drink anything so Charlie we are fruit ya also any mom for me kan omo sandi abusia to cut it short senye benduka kasada njese bianka bedimiti enenante etefa so na 3 days still na me ma no ma what I say we are making me to one more say kuni eti ye share sa story way with you sebeya especially a mabu na mabano me ko party wa me ko we mon hwe yie papa enye se wote me dase abra no ama akra so na ba bia na odi akire ye na won so okobi bibia na okono bi unimu ase a enkono bi patro ene videos of our time bra Facebook no so sisi a Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook bra sisi a na memfa video ne nchiro but wo a woni access to Facebook no mame inra wadwum sisi ana me cheche mu nchiro eye drink bi na nkrofo bi anom na sa squad no omo squad na omo no ade ni wieye no how they started reacting no eye serious said they no mu hu omo ene said they omo hu said they ne emeko no hadwen oba kono mu ade wi afi o kata na ni say no hwe na ni afi I say onu ankasa wu say I say nanim emoamoa serious ya hwe be ma tipa no I for ba kon so obo drink ni wi na immediately ene say o shoulder na wo unza ba bi wa I say ho ye pool bi santino okotono wa to pool na hwe say wa cool temperature or turn who say I know she make just a bowl of water keke enesio a bowl of water no were taken as pool or fun swimming pool. And yes, or yeah, no contrem keke or dive it. On the pool or now dive back or dive say ya or dive pool. Meanwhile, it was just a bowl of water keke. Yeah, is you. Wouldn't be biasia and found kushim. Jeko fa it was this year. Videos of our time na yen hwe sa video yi na yen fan tu honfo wo kɔ baabi amanfo no monsa bi unnim ase enkonum bi wo kɔ baabi nkrofo di edi bibi wo kɔ ya na daabi bema emma no so pa muntie ne ye ene mai bi kɔ baabi odu ya na esim no ono so ene achi ase afi nani beba no so no na manfo take advantage of her ne aye no pasa ohu de okoka video na edwagu no hwe na fofo no hwe onum wie se de why nanim afi de in his mind I say ni nua nanim moamoa afi ne ono hu se de atwansa na wa start roro no wa hu swimming pool into oko dive o de hwe bema aka no boxes hwe oto no twon ensuo no so ensuo yi ensuo ewo bo mu keke wa fa no swimming pool enti yenya hwe yi enye se o hwe characters no mo hosre nkrofo no mo hosre o de wa hu om keke no mo ya ahyin bia kra na o hosre already me hwe nsre keke yenti afutuo na ewo mu no say as I say you're very careful especially when it comes to drink unimu ase ukoya unafufo they are drinking then you are also drinking ebeya bisam obi ma wonsan bi kura no mu a especially ensa enye de wunim the known drinks here ninim here there what brand what din there wa unim ti say wa na wo te ano a unim so we de manu bi da say netie ne alcohol percentage wo mu say netie unim sa drink ne dada e be a particular beer na stout beer na whatever wine bi no unim dada. It is all the also the obenum sana o no mo eno a unim but de yehwehwe dia frafra ne manema mu no aya hwe ni yi sa ayi mixer omo mix ne ade no ayi de mixture ha ya mix ne de frafra so e de be mixture ne atutututu ne din no you very 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 careful e was ade no because e betimi de wa konsohwe mu ebetimi asesa wa brabo ebetimi aseo videos of our time egusu edwagu ewo Facebook Adom 106.3 FM yes on Facebook wonso betimi akọ na wakọ akọhwe sa video no ewo ho na wonso odibi atu nhofo eno no ma me ron messages kakra bi ewo ha na yento aso now we Bruni and Ghana picture you know Jean Grob anyway or say hi I'm watching you from Scotland UK I be Bruni afi and the encrofo we dey say omudin we so edino za GH or say network no bad over here pao ebeyi Lillian Jemfua or say amen na fi yetwaso ko yanimu a we so say a friend no Nancy Knox ono so say good afternoon fellow Ghanaians Emilio Poku ono so say good afternoon to you Kwabena and Chibo Isiakon or say hey today is my birthday Brajeri and happy birthday to you Kwabena and Chibo Isiakon on Facebook Abena Asira Ade I hope I got your name right I'll say you are looking good, Jerry. You, medase. And Azeman, and also say I'm really enjoying Ofie Kwanso live from Azeman Ventures, Chronom opposite market, opposite the market. Fantastic program by our standards. Keep it up. Okay, and Hobby Blinks, and I say Hobby Blinks. And also I say please kindly add me to the group. Ofie Kwanso group no yo yate and then Ado Dankwa they trust me the liquor. On so say Brad Jerry, I love your suit. Okay, you Ruth Jabin also say hello. And Ruth also hello. Enti eguswa yewo Facebook no so enti ubetimi aboruem wo na onso bibia ni a wo say de ekọ video no is still showing hwe akwa no said ye oye na timi say ye na yi Kweku Frank o say what a dive o hwe said akwa ne dive ye na Lydia Minta ono de osrea akusua GH amonia amwenima ono so sesa idipo ono so sere na enosa Mickey Ajirako ono so say wicked and wild wicked and wild afi girl for you are opare on the Syrian Joseph upon Sebastian or say fantastic na fin so my back it didn't be usual no on so say no say your trust ko anymore Abigail O'Neill or say wow and Susan Dormon on so say very bad. Lydia Ofori say Theresa Boache say good afternoon Jerry. Solomon is a Papsi or say Jerry very good piece of advice pa ena odiama no and I feel so rejoice EL or L or no so say thanks Brad Jerry and I am that type who not just oko baby I now no one Pacho, you're very, very careful, pa. William Kojo AC, or say, hey, Ghana, no. Alexander Tete, or say, it happens to a friend, before. Okay. Yeah, trust not your quay anymore. Parkwisi, or say, I'm watching you live from Springtest. All right. And I fake Ketchy, Sewa, the anointed, or say, hey, how could you? He could. Faustina, Yamfo, or say, this is very serious. Robert Adu, so say, Rade, Beji, Stiano, okay, all right, I got it. And I feel Ojo Mickey Way on so say, hey, it's serious, pa. If I had messages in the doors, pa. If you maybe also good afternoon, Jerry. Yesterday I had to sit by my radio to check if it had a problem. Only the face who I don't know. I mean, shut down. And then I trust anymore. I'm a free Arizi. I see today is my son's birthday. He's Saint. No, he's at St. Stephen's College, but Obano Edin the one from my baby on our boy. Anyway, Prince Nana Ajiman, also good job. Live from Dubai and also Airshage Medi. Yeah, to ask anymore. Rich Ransford Edu. This is very funny, but a serious part. Kingsford Otabel. Also, I chopped dog meat, thinking it was chicken. Let me tell you, my name is Nafofobi Echo baby. Oh yeah. Now, me personally, I don't want to mention the place we went. Now, you see, it took us a long while and son I ate me a quackodo. Now from an opinion name in the deity, ye nana in the accommodate napa. And now you could do. Now you do ya na on my common channel. I say a honor the friend saying palm plantation be hopper na is more village view inside one there. Now you cotton crop free. You call you know fancy dog palm massa. Oh goodness, jai. And now Crofona young quine bush or inside power. Then quite any to say yes. Tia koe contractor say anaka kana ku be kanu no aye ne ma so e be bin sesi a etete to afia ka kan Charlie I ready na man fire wa me pentem kra and na me fa bull back and I'm the coin am so jack or onye na me nya wa na me de commode me dodo and na oyi nam ne me ensa pa na I say on say aponchin fin harum bi na I say in the ribs bi na ehye hye ho no awurade yi be me ensa de gu ma me and no san kwan gu Timmy Kuifant Dokron Bakuna Chesenka, boy, Maluki Sharp. And one of the guys are Menyom Namna, your cohon. No catch him there, Jerry Hodono. But do you know about this meat already? Nams go to the who doesn't know about good. Oh, sorry, Chala beg. Big I tell you, this one you know be good. We a specialty. He be dog meat. I feel me na me say also he be dog meat. I dare you come on, Timmy say pa me game tafre mano and no me say the kumpa na nkwan pa chale life super papa bi say o say e be dog meat and na me side the bone ma pa di no 7 minute back hey na o say nam no gu. Do you know what happened that day? Me different dog on raw. It's Bibia, Bibia, Niana, Yabisa, you. Yes, you are so bad, Shibruta. Bibia phone lines, Nessia. Na abusia for amwa broche monso matimi afre aba jumedi eso yes 0302216561 0302216562 call me now if I trust all Ghana ha for today only menfre why said the bear you nuanu me wa manone no ebetimi anya akwanya no so afre aba jumedi no so ya momo akwanya no so nde rade askakra why 0302216561 0302216562 let's do this. Adam Jabroche for betimi afresh here 0302216561 0302216562 Oh, I can't crowd. Yeah, very fine. All right, and then go and say and can't show say your fuel stations in there is safe. Coronavirus no go so but your boy home there. And they ban betro fuel and about for service in bia dem pepe ni nyina na say obe observe here all the following protocols ni nyina together yet me defeat here coronavirus. Oba make sure so be wash on with soap and running water. Especially right after handling money. I know keep a minimum distance of 1.5 meters with other customers and our fuel attendants. Or face mask in the menu and see me anytime be our best step into a public place be an so to now say obe coffee and now say obe sneezia now where you see a tissue and you cover and now say one not we pen disposing of into a bin immediately. And if you are not in a position to wash your hands, I so be used to alcohol based hand sanitizers CB and also ebet me abo yepa ni nyina mu ne recommend say ebeya anka use your electronic payment card make sure the go card na timi abo na we minimize cash transactions what you say goyo yeah there we young come from mom's recipe sunflower oil ma oil there what the betch chichinia me ko yi come up o grill no dey baking now go to me the wrong I feel shit on now no jollof no and now stew now prepare no mom's recipe sunflower oil and the bebo ne bo so nyeden the on the size is p it dey wa betimi afford na wa to dia coffee mom's recipe sunflower oil a taste of goodness open the door 020-154-3938 first call already on the line. Hello, good afternoon. Oh, sorry about that. African yes I room. Hello. African still anfa. Sorry na error bra for right. And they big say yan can show say ubetimi wini a che big time cry. We stay fresh and win promo. Yeah, the air brew. A free Saturday I copy the 1st of January and as our promo we air running. Just buy a pack of Big One Sensitive from any outlet near you. Bones and scratch coupon be our pack anymore. We are scratching. Scratch pan on there. Secret code never but no one tested. I call 1393 to stand a chance to win instant airtime, home appliances, mobile phones, get vouchers, any HDAP in 2 separate drawers. Big always gives you more. For further details, phrase 0248-311-789. There be Adani 0248-311-798. Terms and conditions apply. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good afternoon, Ghana. Patrick Frost and Akasa Free.
Okay, Jerry.
Patrick, too bad. Too bad. Hello. Too bad. African Atiafaso.
Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Patrick, you're from saying?
Nana
Kwame Kasafri.
Kasafri in Sawam.
In Sawam. African Nana Kwame is Kasafri in Sawam. Me Patrick, Mrs. Owo Ghana ha, Memfre, Nema Brochi for an Fre, why, Miss Roby Bri, why? Boko was because every so. Anyway, Nana Kwame Nti, mention some for now. So for more say. I was here now from the 2nd of April 2021. Abibi Abekoye Momo agent point to be a sell perform a transaction. You'll be required to present a valid national ID card. Yeah, deal with to protect you. What I say, Crawford young Crawford Bukata Dodo. It feed the 2nd of April. Or call a Momo joint to be a transaction be a so to me the valid national ID card they can't call and son of BBA to me a dimu the amount. What I say, yeah, you wait, say benefit me up one cost where receive card. Now one handle transactions in a safe and secure manner. That's why we're good together. Just Momo it everywhere you go. Good afternoon, Jerry. Please wish the following a happy birthday for me. Mrs. Stella Hagan, ICGC Christ Temple, and then Miss Cynthia Amwa, Prisons Church, Cantonment. May God bless them all. And this one is coming from Nana, Cynthia, Agi, Debbie, and Nanaya. All right, so 0302-216-561. 0302-216-562. If I talk more Ghana na muguso friend ya sembe bre why munya mu na brochi for ntimi frɛ why Wednesday is pen ya reserve my brochi for because more Ghana na friend na brochi for so frɛ it makes it difficult for them to get through tim patcho more Ghana na muguso friend yesem munya mu why na munna ho na abrochi for no ntimi frɛ why etienua no more Europe more UK more US and then with the moment penny is so Eliana me monitor or CNN near the very, 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 very beautiful part. Who former President Obama, President Obama and a wife. We see if you come for no more corner there. Sounds so and President Clinton or no so na George Bush munna near there. Na F. The America for nature munna. More Asia more Middle East, most Australia for a chechamo, most more any of the African countries, with the exception of Ghana. Echamunina, Mubreni, some bet me our friend, now my ba Jumedino Esro, not my day radiasi. Nina Munian come for a royal drinks, Emma. Yes, we air drinks from Kwan, what flavors pea. And they your Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange, Royal Cocktail. Come on, pa. So go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy Royal drinks in so many flavors. Royal drinks, or see you go like them. They are available in a shop near you. Just 2 cedis 50 pesos. They are another quality product. Ofie Kwanso Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Open the door and one phrase 0262-351-251 and now 0272-133-373. Yeah, Baba. wonderful birthday going out to Miss Frida Amma Buedu, level 200, physician assistant student at the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. I wish you the best. That's the very best in everything you do. And I ask God to bless you, to guide you, and to keep you safe. May you experience abundance of favor, peace, and joy. Age gracefully, Miss Frida. And this one's come from Delson Emmanuel. I call pay Diana Hamilton. Adom, but baby, I'm a do idea. Adom Nakam. Sure, baby, I'm at your CD. Adom Nakam. I come. Sure. TV Samin Kancho said big things are great, so don't settle for any man what I say. Choose to go TV what me enjoy the best football leagues on Super Sport because the big boys are back in town. Men's like a crowd, Mount Sankan Go TV decoder full set for only 109 Ghana cedis. Wait me upgraded to Go TV Max. Yeah. Now when you're the best in sports, best in entertainment, in fact, best in everything. Syria La Liga games in Obeshanina, Unquatna Pabo Baby, and Ubia Pibia, your trophy. Why enjoy action now on your Go TV? Period now per day. Stay connected while using my Go TV app. Pay by the points and now say mobile money agent Bia a Ben War. Go TV, live it, love it. Chebi abetwa somewhere di tu on for an area e wo Ofie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM. And then, baby brutal. But a quaint as your base show answer. And running in the oh, what? You'll try to say hello. Hello.
Hello, Brad Jerry.
Yes, good afternoon. What Ghana everyone say?
Money my dakoni.
Hey, money my dakwa bibia boko there.
Yanko Pado na ozo.
Adum ya ne kura nyina kakra sa.
The Yanko Pass.
What me abowra mu de yamo akonya na eda awrade ase. Why?
But Jerry me the awrade ase e minimum bushia. So dia bitu prepare dia bitu ya. The namu yare mu asori na ho bia ye tinkwan. The say Yanko Pass oboboy ho ban na o dia na mo so sisi. Amen. Very, very necessary.
Necessary.
And Christmas or
Sound.
And Christmas I heard you. And then you walk where to go. You walk where to go. And then I had the
me and me monitor me said the name of course now to say, yeah, I'm on for you any.
I been Christmas.
Nina. All right, Shabushi, form you and Sabi and I found see why. Me New York Seta Samoa no Samoa and Ebenezer Orchard and me cousin Odino Madakwa and me Papa Thomas Dakwa and the cousins back also Tisha Buama also followed in the All right. Now you show me now. Money might that way that's the part.
On show so.
All right. And shouts going out to you, Louisa. Oh, Trust Clinic, whatever. Louisa, the patron, you don't fall listening, bro. And yes, I squad no. That miss you on a bay assem. Cause NCBA me banama bay, you know. Sure. Yeah, say yes, baby. And it's your birthday today, Lisa Pucci. Lisa Pucci, happy birthday to you. On air CEO of Diva Saloon, East Legon. Enjoy your birthday, Lisa Pucci. Fast like a man, Bell Chapman said that our boy on Fendi kind which made you so. Yeah, we ended the new party sensation in town, and they say, "Oh, to Pubia now, per se, or are they a touch of class to your party?" And you're now being here, Bell Chapman, a special cocktail available in 330 and 500 ml bottles, filled with lime, blackcurrant, and lemon, and packed with vitamins. Very low in sugar. One pack, they only have 16 bottles. Price also the cool. They are available at shops and stores and supermarkets. How do you name? Dodo Pano. Now our friend Bell Beverages on 055 538 5800 and our face 055 538 5900. Bell Chapman for life's happy moments. Sanso and the account for JK Company Limited. JK Company Limited. And they are sole distributors at the Nataraj products here in Ghana. Uburaya swear wow. Bibia winya bia. From woman swan can be bia. Original. Mature stationery products nina no. And original. And then Nataraj. Pens, pencils, pencil cases, crayons, match sets and they can come home. Sounds so anyway, yeah. JK exercise books. I fake JK 5-star A4, A3 papers. Any stationery products do need now. Now, no, damn it, for you be a school. I'm out for a J products one. J, and easy. Oh, I'm out for so be bookshops near the idea. One on Beijing money now. No more come so the kakaka to suna. Business at Miakos. And to Subarum, only a check number 60 or 2 Bloom Street. A Bay Air Christ Embassy. Our North Industrial Area here in Accra. Obetimi afren and I'll be sending in WhatsApp. Eddie Afa 0540 125 999. That's 0540 125 999. Finally, a fast day on Emma Dominion Herbal Powder. Dominion Herbal Powder. A drawing a boy to me build a strong immune system. And they a die woman in here. Yes. It is a one share year now. One cast went to me and more by you a bad thing. Because anka coronavirus no. Upiesia bontia na ubonse aye kales na okromti ukwa no hu so ni a anka na mo ase anka ye dodge na ni ekwa baby ba we so de wo ye ne se enye hie se studio ya kra se ba ku bi hange kona ho baby it's need na so betimi build a strong immune system so the be anya bia na be fo akwam kra wa system betimi fight no, you know what I'm saying? It's Dominion about powder. We understand na san eboa and normalize your blood pressure. Wa heart or kidney related problems no. Ebeboa pa. Wa ye dwuma keto bia ate obre pa. Da bia na wo die mu ye oya, wachi bremu tim tutu a. Wa poso nyina. Nom Dominion about powder. Wa solve problem no. Stroke, diabetes and fa na fichiri kura. O so ya no pa, o de pe eye o mag na o cap no. Enso ahye no man emu huru pa. Na o di teaspoon asa eye Dominion about powder no. 1 teaspoon pe na de agum. Kanumu a ese adwope nom. Anwumre the same thing. Nesha de Vimpa. Available herbal shops out ni nyina mu across the country. Okonomo se ebi ni wa. Me pacho hwehwe Angel Dominion Herbal Center for echi akwan e won Nkoko aka NK. Nkoko utwa nshotwe NK. Itu de okọ pe a obehu mo echi akwan. Enye sa from e wo 0543 158 195 and now say 020 429 6449. Now ne Angel Dominion Herbal Center for Edin Komo. Dominion Herbal Powder, your number 1 immune booster. Jerry, today happens to be my son's godfather's birthday. Okay. So a happy birthday going out to you, Pastor Joseph Amwateng. May you live long with good health and prosperity. And may God bless you for the love you've been showing to Adepa and Ekuya Papa B. So this one came in from Ekuya Papa B. On neba Adepa. Amunyina say nyame onsha pa. Pastor Joseph Amwateng na onye okese wo doson kwa wo dan e kire wo mo. Happy birthday to you, man of God. Enjoy your new age. Ya baba sha sem we di on for we I will feel Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM. Stay tuned.
With me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM. Watch your demon in your system.
So by kind courtesy, Door Master and Pubiman Paint Depot, Imboost Herbal Mixture, MTN, and a Time Herbal Mixture. Madama, ye baba sha semwa ye de etu ho fo awie yi. Ewo Ofie Kwanso medie so Adom 106.3 FM. And a special shout out going out to Nana Ekuya and Chua Dapa and to you if you are at red. Last name near day. Is it okay? Good day. My friend was you answer. Person me to bomb bia. Now why me say yeah, so anyways, yeah, somebody to you on for real quick. And then asem I did to your home ewo Ofie Kwanso medie so no asem no wo brofo kasem o say don't blame anyone for your failures. Baby, okay, don't blame anyone for your failures, because your successes and failures are entirely your own responsibility. Very simple. Don't blame anyone for your failures, because your successes and failures are entirely your own responsibility. Simple and short. We nya semwa ye sheda chirichirim. Emfa so bo mo obi se obi ena amo edim kuguo. Esan say unkunimdie ne omodenbo ene unkukuhwe ase se entimi nkoyie ema watesiremu no ni nyina ya de a ejina wo ankasa eso eye wasudie kese se ubedi yio se uni yio eye wankasa so ene jina enye obi so enu nti na obetimi ehu obi na ya wo na to sikam hu obi awofo a wo say boy we do new problem. Hey, get we didn't hear you. Oh, he mother this, or be mother they had this, then they be mother. Hey, they be father with that. Oh, yeah, tie kapa. So I be this guy, they no get problem. On this guy of you, I'm there. I'm few all there. That family there. He be rich people, so I don't time to say on number for cancer. What class I can be. But to be coaching, not that person now. So much was expected of him because of the background, because of a few free mu into obi anim sen ko betimi adi yi no obekɔhwɛ no na brabo afi obi a not ba bi otim zani da so obi ani ne so abusuo o free mu no ramasa etoda enya gari o be gele kra kakra ewie kra na ya asem, but Onipa ko ntimi sori tena se ka say no. This is my background. This is where I'm coming from. It's about time I change the narratives. No, me so me mra me toasa wo nya we so a e wo sa abusua mu. I will break that poverty cycle in my family. And when you be ba ho so no nipa ko na bon ho modern rewre mu a yadwumaden asinkete se obedi ye. And at the end of the day, na sa nipa ko na be very successful in a society. Na obi momu ananka ni da so e wo se already enkoni problem ya wo na to sie so anko betimi adi yi no na wankwa anko di yi. Now this is the difference in say baby e wo to ya na abusua wo frim and now whatever advantage I want, whatever help that might come your way no one kasa na wo de ho no say one who the need to hold on to that and build on it and develop it. Now to na JJ mu a enya dia ebesu yi. Though you might be coming from a rich background, but ubetimi adinya. Same way, someone can also come from a very poor background, but so nipa ko no betimi aka say the little advantage kakra menya, the little opportunity that will come my way, akwanya ketua bi amenya no, I have to utilize it well. Na me dia dwumaden etayachire na me kokomanim entido den kakra ene ochna then that person will build on the one, and at the end of the day he or she will become very successful. Eti the focus oh yeah akwari wabreo this guy hey you don't unim where he started from yes I get we actually bra wa bre pa de wa from pa na ba be history enti so betimi adi ye so bedi nkuguo so bedi nkunimu. It is entirely your responsibility. And your wawa said there and you before your mom can push you, your father can push you, your uncles, your aunties, your brothers, your sisters, your friends, your boss can push you. But when you get the opportunity, so when you are and you mess it up, you won't be successful. Tidiaka ni jina also minim obra obo minim adwuma bi a wahya ase minim anamo bi a wutu minim and I do believe say you also know about yours. Ewie de metimi aka show ne say and found a level awo and found a baby a wadu. You can still make it. It all depends on you. A friend of mine told me something. We the any asemia babisha and every me upload the picture or WhatsApp status and not share pictures no. No say Charlie, you dear when me I go get better job we I go fit dress nice like the way they dress. Charlie, you do the way they dress there, Charlie, be too much, Charlie, pressure. Charlie. I dey praise I go get better job. So say me to I go dress on. And I can't say me chair and say, Charlie, you don't have to wait till you get a better job before you look good. A woman say at a sika near the top. But kakra na owono. Ubetimia ayone fine. Ubetimia shen fine. It's about you. And I'm catching some master. I no be rich guy like that as you did talk. Who me say me is again. You know, Charlie, edu baby office bad they will tell you some of the boys when they see me so me banner my shepherd I'm boss do that too. The day where they go see me say Charlie this one there at normal level where I say Jerry and I be today they day your side so make you give you something because my catch say when they see me now my heavy that day no crowd ashini me hono. Intina my wada me people be abonaba you know my mom first case mama kwem but when they see me wretched near there I understand. So you don't have to wait say unya bibi say answer why the little that you have manage it well. Men twanya say unkodu baby ansa na won hu say there be esese metimi eya de bi esombo kakra the little that you have work around it. Do something better. Oh, and something good will come out of it. Kakran. Sir, and then you get to wherever it is that you want to get to. Don't blame anyone for your failures, because your successes and failures are entirely your own responsibility. Did you see HLP? Me da wase se utie me ntie keke fire adwuma why na ebeboa na bibia so akoye di ama. Your fast down my proud sponsors. Door Master and Pubiman Paint Depot. Ubo remwa enei doors ahodo now this is ufie na wasi awie no dan no apon ade toto ano beje papa obe enjoy from 5 to on quality security doors with Turkish, German and Italian technology. You have over 100 designs and colors for you to choose from. Say yes, steel security doors, exterior ones, internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors, armored doors, bathroom doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors, glass doors, flash doors, any type of door be they are available. A bonus so at that form or compare prices are yet the end they just say pa and so that form say boko afi ubo rem our fan ship paint now. Yena ya partner with News Paint. Yeah, no. Ya more acrylic, emulsion, enamel, road marking paints, marine coatings, waterproofing, dampproofing, wallpaper, na fe, wall primers, ne potting near diena. Just a paint accessories ni na no. Ya dress room na benyano. Ya de share gu apono so. It ye schools, churches, government friends institutions near there, offices ne real estate developers, the individuals ni na. Bra. Nebeji paint never call your project no. For kutri dan ho wi. Actually what to boss ya between kakrakra. And your friend paint now, pay later with no interest. Underline that. Wo hwehwe Door Master and Pubiman Paint Depot echi akwan. Ye wo Accra Kumasi Highway so Pubiman Udu Pubiman toll booth wana one in fact so original toll booth wa wani tua shop no emu. Friends here 0542 745 222 and I'll pay 050 021 2447. And what you say do your farmer in boost herbal mixture aka police nedruno. A drone here wonders no. When was it yesterday or 3 days ago I'm catching some about you see the bakwesi fina bakusika no. Nti wiemu na chese maboba kono na chese all the me patch very necessary so timi numbi say drone de a dro ba kwa metimi de mensa ahye jemu ama no imboost herbal mixture because me aminim de ayama me and I'm nim the ayama mabusuafo home and abroad. What I say, a boy juma papa imboost herbal mixture aka police ni nedruno yo pibia chakwan e be dirty works ni nyina ma oh ahoden be ba pa e be sa ho yade won nyina correct de hinta on nyina e betu na se na obenya vem Ekus Pharmacy, Budama Pharmacy, Tribal Judah Pharmacy, King's Walk Herbal, alternative and dependable herbal shops across the country. Health Alert Shop, the was St. John's, and now called Little George Health Shop, our Community 5 Tema, Ubenyebi. And yes, our phrase 0243 115 948 and 0246 208 496. Now the Dubia Uniebiano, Yemfa and Sumo. Afe MTN. Almost Adom 106. Also from the 2nd of April 2021, you'll be required to present a valid national ID card, a Biabeko Momo agent point to perform a transaction. Nina say way to help keep you receiving cash. Now what means so handle or transactions nina in a safe and a secure way. Na bibia ko yi the amount. That is why we are good together. Just momo it everywhere you go. Finally, as they do from Time Herbal Center or my Time Herbal Mixture for the treatment of malaria fever. Patro say malaria na attack you nkwa what do no a Time Herbal Mixture or no nadwuma oye nkwa no. Now say malaria na chiwa e mautimi a week Boss honam nyina ye oboyo na wanumu ato appetite na akọ entuntimi enidi wo sha ase wo nom time ba mixture na ekutia malaria no na appetite no so ba back na fe honam no so asensisi hu so kama na mu aye apeke NG ba capsules ni bi na fa pia chiri eno so fi time ba center onom eno a for general well-being tie ma ho esisi hu so ntempa King's Walk Herbal, Repatch Ventures, Rich Jones, and a Zidos Herbal, ni na Wakanshi Drug Lane, and I'll call Ekus Pharmacy, Biclass, Larry, Budama Pharmacy, ni na so ewoye Ashaman, a Tribe of Judah, Ewo Kaswa, and a Pharma Trust, Ewo Weja Junction, a whole in Albania, and yes, our phrase 0244 417 669. Na bibianso akoye ediama usutie 106.3 Adom FM, of course Ghana's #1 radio station. Na yeguso aye toaswa enchi bia no ye borum na ye de irrigated sports ama na bibianso